Today we're going to be taking a look at this property located in McFarland, California. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, square feet is 1628, year built is 1930, and the list price is $350,000. Making our way in, we first step into this big living room area, which is covered with hardwood floors and is surrounded by a lot of windows that lets natural light in. Here we turn into the first room that is on the first floor and is also the primary. To the corner we have the closet where you can store all your clothing. Then to the side we have the remodeled primary bathroom. Throughout the property you'll be viewing small little details that shows how much thought and careful work was put into it. The tile in the bathtub is a nice light green. You can also see some golden finish touches here on the handles. Now from the primary, we're gonna be looking at the rest of the property and we're making our way through here. Next, we're gonna be heading to the second floor, which we're gonna be taking some stairs and heading that way. Before we head to the top room, I do want to let you know that I have a loan officer with many loan options. If you're a first-time home buyer or have previously bought a property, you might be able to qualify for down payment assistance. So feel free to reach out to me and we can schedule an appointment, see how much you qualify for, your monthly payments, and see if you're able to qualify for that down payment assistance. So here we have the second room that's located in the top floor. The roof on the property has also been updated. Throughout the top floor, you also have an amazing view of the neighborhood. I also want to let you know that I do work with VA loans and USDA loans, which can help you out and put in zero towards down payment if you qualify. So make sure to reach out and take advantage to see if you do qualify for these programs. Here's a side door by the living area, and now we're gonna be turning here and we're gonna be looking at the second bathroom. We have the vanity with quartz countertops, golden finish touches on the handles, and the tile once again in the bathtub is light green. And here's another angle of the bathroom. Next to the bathroom we have the third bedroom. Before we go and take a look at the kitchen, I do also want to let you know that if you're a seller looking to sell a property in the Leno, McFarland or surrounding areas, feel free to reach out to me for a free consultation and a free market analysis of how much your property can sell on the market. Stepping inside the kitchen, we are greeted by a big L-shaped quartz countertop, a top-of-the-line stove and oven range, and nicely crafted cabinets. Here's another angle of the kitchen. The kitchen also has two side pantries, enough space for your kitchen supplies. And as you can see here, the pantries also open up to the side so you won't be struggling. From the kitchen, we move on to this side room that is the laundry room. It has the hookup for dryer and washer and also has a little storage room where you can store your laundry room items. Now let's go and take a look at this big, wonderful backyard. You do have back alley access as well, and you can park an RV in this big, huge backyard. Additionally, you might be able to get permits from the city to add an additional unit. To the side here we have the back garage, which has not been updated, but you might be able to restore it into a home office, a home gym, or maybe potential rental unit with city permit.